Mobile Device Management, MDM, or Unified Endpoint Management, UEM, are ways for enterprises to provision and manage their mobile devices. Setting up your Magic Leap 2 with one of these providers will allow your organization to manage app and OS updates, app deployments, and more. Magic Leap 2 supports third-party MDM UEM solutions. For the full list, check out the link on our Care Center website. Setup for the MDM is fairly straightforward with the documentation. Depending on the provider, some will have enrollment during the initial out-of-box experience device setup, while others have enrollment after the device setup process. Most MDM systems recommend enrolling a device during the initial setup process. On the Magic Leap 2, you can use a QR code to enroll. However, if you're not using that option, simply select the other option on the screen to enroll a different way. If you're enrolling after device setup, follow the steps your MDM recommends. For instance, some require you to connect your Magic Leap 2 to a computer and use their desktop app to enroll. We hope this helps you get started, and reach out to our care team if you have any questions.